Okay, hello viewers. Okay, this is Alan Keys and I want to do a song You Are Yahweh using the numbers. So every day I ask that please request songs so that I'll do them, or whatever you want me to teach you, I'll just do it. So in any key, I'll explain, and even if I play it in A, B, D, I'll be using numbers so that at least when I don't play it on the key you wanted, but at least you'll use the numbers, try to measure the numbers to play the song. So I want to do song You Are Yahweh, and I'll be explaining with the numbers. So I'm going to do it in the key of F sharp, this one. So for F sharp 1 is F sharp, 2 G sharp, 3 B flat, 4 B, 5 C sharp, 6 D sharp, 7 F, back to 8. So for the chords, this is 1. That is C sharp, F sharp, B flat and C sharp. This side is C sharp. The chords are going to use 1, then 5 or 7. This side is F, C sharp, F, G sharp, 6, then 4, or 4, B, F sharp. This side is B, D sharp, F sharp, then our 6, C, D sharp, F sharp and B flat. Those are the chords we're going to use. So let me play it first. You are Yahweh, you are simple. So actually the numbers I'm using is 1 in any key you're playing. 1, 7 or 5, 4, then you can go to 3 or 1. So you are Yahweh, 5 or 7, 4, you are Yahweh, 3 to 6 or 1 to 6, the one that you like. Then again, you are Yahweh, 5, 4. So for the key of F sharp, let me show you the notes. So it's F sharp 1, C sharp, F sharp, B flat, F sharp, 7, F, C sharp, F, G sharp, 4, then 3. This is B flat, B, C sharp, F and B flat. This side is B flat, taking you to 6. D sharp, F sharp, B flat. Then again you start 6, 5. So the interval, like you can play it. Let me use a beat here. This one. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. flat. So let me do a bonus on B, because I think I saw also a request on B. So for the B, the scale is, so B is 1, C sharp, 2, D sharp, 3, 4, E, 5, F sharp, 6, G sharp, 7, B flat, back to B. So the chords I'm going to use is 1, You Are Yahweh, 5, then 4, You Are Yahweh, then you can use 3 to 6, 5, 4, 1. So for the chord, the first chord in B is B, F sharp, B, F sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, and F sharp. Then you go to your 5, which is F sharp. 4 is your E. This side is I'm playing E, B, and E, and E. This side I'm playing E, B, E. This is a F sharp, G sharp, and B. So you are, then 3, which is the F, the D sharp minor. Then your 6. You are Yahweh. So let me use the beat. That is on B. Sorry. Soft beat. So let me start again. It's really fast. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh. Alpha and Omega. And Omega. Like that. So that is on B. So God bless you. So any number, any key you're playing, so just play 1. You start from 1, you go to 5, you go to 4, then you go to 3, then you are 6. Any key. So thank you, God bless you, and bye.